guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a sit down video after so long and it kind of feels a little weird, but let's get started. I've always been a fan of watching monthly favorites videos, and I've also done a lot of monthly favorite videos back in the day. But in 2025, I wanted to bring it back and I wanted to talk about my favorites every single month. So this is going to be January favorites. I'm going to make sure to link all the products that I speak about in the video in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I have my green tea here. Maybe you guys could get yourself a little snack or a drink. Fun fact about me, I really don't like my tea bag in the tea when I'm actually sipping it. So I'm gonna drop it in a bowl here and first off, I'm going to be starting with my favorite shower gel. I'm sure a lot of you already know of this one. This is the Dove Refreshing Cucumber and Green Tea Shower Gel. This is so refreshing. It stands up to what it says. Like every time I take a shower, I'm like, oh, this feels so good. And this is one of the top reasons why I get motivated to shower, even if it's really cold outside. Of course, it smells so heavenly and I feel like the scent lingers in throughout the day sometimes. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice affordable drugstore shower gel, or I think I might be saying it wrong, it's actually a body wash and not a shower gel, but the purpose is almost the same. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice body wash in a budget and a drugstore one, then this one's for you. Next up, we have a fancy box here with hand creams, and yes, I have become a hand cream kind of girl. So this is how it looks. I'm going to tell you a little story before I tell you why this is my favorite. So I've always disliked the idea of using hand creams because I used to feel my hands will feel sticky and that, you know, if I hold on to anything, it'll feel slippery and things like that. But my perception towards hand creams entirely changed when I used this one. This one's almost empty. So my brother got me this because he had gotten a Christmas gift at work. So he shared one of his hand creams with me, and ever since I started using this, I have been in love with this one. This smells so good, and also this does not make your hands feel sticky or like, you know, that feeling that you get, the greasy feeling if you touch onto something. This does not do that. And once I started to get that feeling that, you know, this is soon going to be empty, I started looking out for L'Occitane. I hope that's how you pronounce. I started looking at the website for more hand creams. This is L'Occitane. I hope that's how you pronounce. Oh, it's called, my bad, it's called L'Occitane. But yeah, I started looking at their website to buy more hand creams, but then we have this system at work where you get some points and you could buy products off those points, and I realized I could get hand creams, a set of 3 hand creams with the points I had, and I immediately placed an order and this is what I received. So there are 3 hand creams. This one's definitely my favorite. This one's the almond oil one and it smells so delicious. Then I also have the shea butter one which I started using, and then there's a original one which does not have any scent. But yeah, I've definitely started feeling that my hands have become smoother, and that, you know, the lines that you have here, they have definitely become a lot smoother. And also I've been going to the gym pretty consistently in 2025, and you know, when you lift weights, you get like hard skin here. I don't know what that's called, but yeah, using a hand cream definitely helps me keep that at bay. But yeah, these are definitely my second favorites of the month, L'Occitane hand creams. My next favorite is, I'm guessing, your favorite too. It's this necklace that I've been wearing a lot these days. This was a birthday gift, so I did get some details for you guys. This is from Swarovski, and I'm going to make sure to link the product in the description box below. This is super simple, and I feel like you can wear it on Western, Indian, or it's like an everyday use. But also make sure you do not spray any perfumes on this, or, you know, try and make sure to remove it while you're showering, especially when I'm washing my hair, because I know that the shampoo might contain some extra ingredients. I take it off, but yeah, I've been loving this and I've been wearing it a lot. My next favorite is something that has been helping me a lot at the gym. So there's this website called Muscle Wiki, which is amazing. So it helps you generate a workout. Like, you just have to give in your gender, your age, and the body parts that you want to work on a particular day, and it literally generates like a whole workout routine, which I feel is amazing. And for me personally, it gets really confusing if I have to go to the gym and then, you know, decide what I want to do. And I do not really like that feeling. I like to go prepared to the gym, so this one's been helping me a lot. If you are someone who's new to the gym, or if you're someone who doesn't know what to do at the gym, this is going to be your best friend. So food is a really big part of my life, and I definitely wanted to include food favorites, but I also know that a lot of my viewers are from India, and I also know that it's not really easy to get the food that I speak about here in India. So I thought I would talk about my favorite recipe in my favorite videos. So this month I've been making a lot of carrot beetroot soup. I've also shown it in one of my vlogs. It is so simple, so yummy, and yeah, super comforting as well, and it's packed with nutrients. And if you're someone who has low iron, then this is amazing. All you have to do is, in a pan, put in some ghee, some pepper, some bay leaves, carrots, tomatoes, beetroot, onions, and saute it for a bit, and then pressure cook for about 6 minutes, and then you have to grind it all, and that's all. You have your soup there. It is super easy to make as well, especially on lazy days. So yeah, if you try it, let me know. My next favorite is something that I'm currently filming on. It's my camera. I'm not gonna disturb it, but I'm gonna include some clips and show you how beautiful this is. I am currently using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is such a cute camera, super comfortable to vlog, especially in public. It is literally the size of my palm, a little longer, maybe like this much, that's all. Yeah, it's got some great features. It's also got this face tracking ability that, as in when you move, the camera lens also move along with you. Let me switch that on and show you what I mean. So now the face track is enabled. So this is how it's gonna, you know, move. So in case you're someone who shoots all content by yourself, then this is a game changer. The audio quality is amazing. Also the picture quality. I don't know if you've observed my vlogs. I think they've gotten a lot better in terms of quality. They've always been good, but they've gotten a lot better in terms of quality. I can say it so confidently because every time I export my YouTube videos, the size of the video is huge. So that's how I kinda know that the quality has gotten a lot better. I truly enjoy filming on this camera, and I thought I must include it in my January favorites. I got it during my birthday, and ever since we've been inseparable. My next favorite is something that I watched on Netflix, and if you're someone like me who likes thrillers, then you are definitely going to love this. I watched this movie called Carry On, and oh my god, this was so gripping. It kept me hooked the entire time. And yeah, it's about what happens in the airport, so it's kind of interesting to see how things happen behind the scenes, like, you know, especially the border security personnel. I think they're called TSA. Yeah, I think they're called TSA. The kind of training they have to go to, the kind of attention they have to pay to detail and stuff like that. I felt like it was really interesting, and also there is like a suspense thriller kind of part to it, which I'm not going to disclose. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice thriller movie to watch, then this is something that I would recommend. With that, we have reached the end of January favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed talking about products that I've been loving lately. If you would like to see more of such videos, let me know in the comment section below, and let me also know if you have any categories that you would like me to explore, for example skincare or books or things like that. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will try to include those in my upcoming monthly favorites. I will see you super soon. Bye.